Do you have a lighter?
I just gave you a lighter, bro.
I know, it fell apart.
I don't know what to tell you,
Do you have a light?
No.
Do you have a light off your computer or something? I just need to get out my bike off the tree so I can leave. You know.
You need...
I just need to get my bike locked off. So
okay, let me grab a light real quick. Let me find a light. So the lighter fell apart on you there, okay?
I just need to see the light. I can't really see much of the light. Thank you. Three, 4, 2. This is fucked up shit, man. You're supposed to be right here. 3, 4, 2, 4. Okay.
Oh, don't let me know that I might steal your bike, bro. I'm just playing. 3, 4, 2, 4?
Yes.
This thing's gotta go back, dude. It's at 5. Just keep going back. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, that one's at 3 now.
No, we can't. Okay, so
3, 4,
2, 4.
Okay, 3. You gotta spin that one back 1.
I think this one's off. The 3.
Right.
3.
Now you got it all effed up, man.
4.
No, this one's gotta go this way, down.
Second one.
The
3,
2,
4,
this first.
2, 4.
Yep, the first 2 has to go down so you can make it a 4. Okay, 3, 3. 3, 4. Okay, leave that. Oh, twist it back a little bit. Okay, there you go. Now twist the next one.
2.
There you go. Now twist
4.
that one to a 4, and you should be set, bud.
Counterclockwise or
Push it down. Push it down this way. Down towards the seat. There you go, bud.
Damn, I've never had this much fucking problem in my life.
Might have to grease it, bro. Easy greasy.
Should be the next one though. Okay, right. It's almost.
Yep,
3.
it's almost at 3. There you go. Now you gotta spin the 2 and yeah, there you go.
Okay, give me a good look. 3, 4. It should be 3, 4.
34,
2, 4.
24. Yeah, there it is.
Damn, motherfucker. 3, 4, 2, 4.
Right. Is it lined up right? It's supposed to be lined up right there? Where's it supposed to be lined up at? Where's it supposed to be lined up at, man?
Right here, you know, it's the top part right here. Okay,
Yeah, man, here.
3, 4,
look,
2,
dude,
4.
Look, dude, I don't normally do this, so don't ever fucking knock on my door and ask me for a lighter at fucking 1 o'clock in the morning again, okay? I ain't got a problem with you. I ain't got a problem with you, but just don't do that again.
Wow.
I don't even know you, bud. I'm out here fucking helping you get your bike unlocked, you know? I'm a nice dude.
3, 4, 2, 4. That's what it's
There you
supposed to be. Okay.
Here, set you free.
Hey,
Have a good one. Have a good one. You're welcome, bro. Take it easy.
Sorry to bother you.
It's alright, man. Just don't do it no more.